Anxiety can be paralyzing. Unfortunately, people can be dismissive and unkind about it. But imagine if that's happening with your cute, adorable fur baby. Devastating, isn't it? Just like humans, dogs too can feel anxiety. You'll see it as excessive licking, barking, and howling. Anxiety can also be the root cause of aggression in dogs and can sometimes lead to even puppy depression. In today's video, let's discuss surefire ways to calm your dog's anxiety. Can exercise help? What about music therapy? We'll be talking about all of these and more. Let's begin with exercising. By exercising daily, you stay healthy, both physically and mentally. Every healthcare expert recommends being active to reap the benefits of good old endorphins released upon physical movement. They are especially great for mental health. The good news is exercising isn't just for humans. Dogs too benefit from a regular exercise routine. This is because anxiety in dogs can cause destructive tendencies. You can help lower your dog's anxiety and calm them down quicker by letting your dog get enough exercise consistently. But why does your pup get anxious in the first place? Well, it's probably due to fear of separation. Since you are likely out of the house due to work or may not be able to bring your pup along, your dog could be worried you've abandoned them. Separation anxiety affects a good amount of dogs, and that can manifest itself in different ways. Going on a long walk with your dog daily or taking them out to fetch in the backyard can help your dog get some exercise and use the time to bond, which can be very helpful. Doing this can help alleviate your dog's stress. It gets rid of excess energy, and exercise also helps release endorphins, making your dog happy and calm. Your health will also benefit from the exercising daily with your pet. Have you noticed your dog getting more upset when you leave the house? As mentioned before, dogs can get all nervous and anxious when their humans leave them alone for too long. Fortunately, there is a way to deal with your dog's separation anxiety. Special treats can certainly help. Remember when you would be too scared as a child to visit the dentist and your parents would distract you with your favorite comic or toy? They sometimes would promise to take you out for ice cream after the appointment as a reward for behaving. Well, dogs, just like children, can be babies sometimes, especially when their favorite human leaves them alone. Luckily, distraction and positive association work really well in this case too. Of course, you cannot give them comics to read, but what about toys and treats? You can help your dog through separation anxiety by giving them something to play with or enjoy while you're gone. Your dog will miss you when you leave the house for a few hours because they associate your departure with an unpleasant sensation. They may even associate you leaving with being unsafe. Giving your furry-legged friend a special treat every time you leave the house could help your dog's anxiety. You can also counter-condition your dog into associating your departure with a positive event by only giving them treats when you're leaving. It doesn't necessarily have to be a treat either. Because your dog associates you leaving as an unwanted event, giving them a special designated toy can remind your dog that going is not bad. Either way, this will help your dog get over their separation anxiety. It won't be long before your dog stops urinating or ripping things apart, worrying over your absence. The next trick on our list will also help you win over your dog. You'll be surprised to know how beneficial music therapy can be. Imagine your furry friend jamming to your favorite music with headphones on. I don't know about you, but that would be pretty amusing. But it turns out listening to music is very beneficial for dogs. Music therapy has been used for humans for quite some time now, and it can help with various conditions, such as depression, autism, and Alzheimer's disease. Music therapy also has helped lower blood pressure, stress levels, and self-esteem. But it's not just human beings that can benefit from music therapy. Using music therapy to treat anxiety in dogs can do wonders. That's right. Listening to the correct type of music can put your canine friend at ease. Dogs have a much keener sense of hearing than humans. They're very sensitive to noise, and filling their environment with soothing music and sounds can help them relax. You may reduce your dog's discomfort in your absence. It's also a non-invasive way of making your dog feel like someone is home. It's been effective against various types of anxiety and phobias. Music therapy also works for dogs with a lot of chronic pain. Music therapy can help your dog fight off any anxiety they may be facing if they're recovering from invasive surgery. Listening to music helps, but so does having a comfortable surrounding. Make sure your pup is in a calm space. Your dog would do well with a particular calm space to which they can retreat when they're anxious. This calm space can be anything your dog can easily access. One of the best ways to create a calm space is to stuff the dog bed with a few blankets they love. You can put some of their favorite toys close by as well. You can set up a toy basket and keep the area relatively tidy if there are many toys. The dog toys you have near their bed should be the most used toys, as it's comforting for your pup to have something they enjoy nearby. Some toys come equipped with soft vibrations that can calm your dog. Other toys have beats that sound like a warm heartbeat that your dog might like. You can also use pheromone diffusers in case your dog doesn't feel calm despite the toys in the bed. The diffuser should be in a consistent location so your dog can go to that room when the anxiety levels shoot up. You would not smell the pheromones, but your dog will. Music, treats, and a calm space all sound good. But if they still don't work, we have another option on our list that can help your dog beyond your imagination. Get your dog a calming vest. There are anxiety vests and t-shirts available that would benefit your dog. These vests apply slight but constant pressure on your dog's torso. Your dog would feel like it's being swaddled with a cloth like a baby. However, you must introduce these calming vests to your dog while you're at home. You cannot expect the dog to be rid of anxiety just because you put the vest on and leave for the day. You'll need to ensure the vest fits well, is snug, and that your dog seems comfortable in it. Your dog may not even like the anxiety vest, so you'll need to find another solution. It's best to try out budget-friendly vests before investing in a high-end product. This way, you'll know if your dog likes having a vest around them before spending a lot of money. If your dog does like the vest, it'll enjoy wearing it for longer durations. You can even use these vests during stressful situations, such as when you take them on vacation or fireworks or loud noises are around you, like during a thunderstorm. If nothing works, your last resort is to try medication. While it may sound unlikely that dogs take anxiety medication just as humans do, it's very much the case. There are medicines that your vet can prescribe for your dog, especially if they're under severe separation anxiety. You might be surprised to know that some dogs are on Prozac. Sometimes, despite the other strategies you implement, your dog might still need the help of medication to help them remain calm. You can speak to your vet about available options and over-the-counter medications. You wouldn't want your dog to depend on medication forever. Your vet can help you chalk out a plan to wean your dog off the drugs slowly. You can do this while the other methods you implement to calm your dog start to take effect. Your dog might be on the same antidepressants or anxiety medication humans use. They help your dog get rid of its anxiety and give it the confidence to try new things. There are supplements available in the market, although researchers may not thoroughly test many of them. It would be best to not try things that may not be helpful for your dog. Always go with your trusted vet's recommendation when it comes to using medication. Are you interested in knowing more about your dog and its health? Let us keep the conversation going with a couple more canine-focused videos, shall we? 9 foods that will kill your dog. 12 human foods that are actually good for your dog. Go ahead, click one, or better yet, watch both and learn more about dogs and their health. Does your dog have anxiety? Let us know in the comments below.